Hello everyone, Namaskar. This is Chef Sudipto and I welcome you to my channel Cuisine Lovers. I will be coming with many innovative recipes, so please subscribe my channel so that you get all the notifications whenever I will be uploading my videos. So today I will be preparing you a new recipe is stuffed chicken lababdar. Now the stuffed chicken lababdar, it is while I will be showing you, you will find stuffed chicken. I will be preparing it. It close to the French cuisine. It calls as chicken roulade. So I thought, why don't we introduce this chicken roulade recipe in our Indian style and serve it with Indian gravies. So lababdar gravy is one of the very rich, smooth, creamy gravy which I will be serving it with chicken roulade. So for this, first we need to take the chicken, we will flatten the chicken and we will marinate it. So let us start with this. I'll take the chicken breast. I'll slit the chicken breast. So now let us flatten the chicken. Use meat hammer. If you do not have meat hammer at home, what you can do? We can use even a little. So as you can see, the chicken has nicely flattened it. We will now marinate it. We will use lime juice and then sprinkle it with some salt and the Indian touch, some red chilli powder. Mix it nicely. So both the side marinate nicely with lime juice, salt and red chilli powder. So I will suggest you the marinated chicken, we can keep it in the refrigerator at least for 1 hour so that the taste, the flavor at the same time, the connective tissues all turns a little softer in texture and the taste goes inside the food itself. Time for making the stuffing. Let us chop the onion. So finely chop the onion. So chopping of onion is done. Now we will chop the ginger. So ginger chop is done. I'll chop 2 cloves of garlic. Nice. So garlic chopping is also done. Next, I will be requiring some blanched spinach leaves. Now blanched spinach, you will take the fresh spinach leaves, boil the water, dip it in boiling water, leave it for maximum 10 to 15 seconds, take it out, dip it in cold water, squeeze out the water and the end result will be this, blanched spinach. So finely chop blanched spinach leaves. So the last knife skill job, I need to chop some fresh coriander leaves. So let us start with the cooking now. So first some oil, some butter, then some cumin seed, then you add the chopped onion. We will cook the onion till it is light brown in color. Add chopped ginger, chopped garlic. We need to cook the garlic till it starts removing the nutty flavor. So the garlic is also done. So at this stage I will add the spinach leaves. So done. I will add now grated paneer. Now is the time to add coriander powder, cumin powder, 1 pinch of red chilli powder, salt, and to mix everything nicely, I'll add small quantity of water. Mix everything nicely and cook for maximum 1 or 2 minutes so that the spices mix nicely with the paneer and all the other masalas. So it is done almost. So the finishing touch, 1 pinch of garam masala powder. Mix it nicely. So the stuffing is now ready. While you are making the stuffing, remember it should be dry. You all must try this recipe. It is very delicious, and please write your comment that how much you have liked it. Adding some chopped coriander leaves. Now I have not cooked the coriander leaves along with the flame because I want the fresh flavor of coriander retained in the masala. So my stuffing is ready now. So for the stuffing, I will first take the silver foil. I will place this marinated chicken. I will give the stuffing now. So put the stuffing nicely, but you should not give excess amount of stuffing, otherwise you cannot roll the chicken properly. So now nicely roll the chicken. Tie the chicken with this thread. Start from one end. So you can see it is nicely sealed with the thread. We will wrap it by the silver foil now. So wrap it tightly and make a candy kind of thing. So this candy is ready, stuffed chicken. We will cook it inside the water bath in poaching method. Take some water. We'll cover the pan so that it warm up quickly. So by this time, let me start with the misa for Lababdar gravy. The Lababdar gravy, I will be using tomato. Just roughly cut the tomato. So here I have taken 2 tomatoes. For that I will take 1 medium size onion, same roughly cut. Small portion of ginger, roughly cut. The water for poaching is ready. I just remove the lid. I'll place this stuffed chicken here. Cover the pan and you cook it maximum for 10 minutes. By that time the chicken will be ready. For the gravy I'll take 2 cloves of garlic, again roughly cut. So onion, tomato, ginger, garlic. Heat the pan, some oil, some butter, mix the oil and butter nicely. For garam masala, cardamom, clove, cinnamon, 1 bay leaf and mace. Mix it nicely. I will add this all ingredient here: onion, tomato, ginger, garlic, everything together and give a stir. Remember, the same thing we can do it like you just take water, add all this ingredient, boil, make a paste and use it for the gravy. The other way, the thing which I am doing, I have tried both the method and believe me, you will get more than 100% different in taste and flavor if you saute the onion, garlic, everything along with some butter and oil with the spices, and then you put the amount of water as it is required and cook. You will find hell and heaven difference in the taste of the gravy. But you need to remember that while you are sauteing all this ingredient, it should not turn brown in color. It should remain in its own color because we want the gravy to be proper red in color. At this stage, some red chili powder, lot of Kashmiri red chili powder because we want fresh red color but not the spiciness. Small quantity of cashew nut and some salt. Give it a nice stir. So sauteing part is done. I will add now water, not much, only we want this all ingredient to be cooked nicely and I want the tomatoes to be mashy texture. That's all. So now let me check. Yes, you can see this all turn mashy. We will take this mixture. We need to remove all the whole spices which we have used it here. So I will now blend it. By this time our stuffed chicken is cooked ready. I'll take it out. So remove the silver foil. Okay, now I will fry this chicken to get little color on the top. Take some oil. Once the oil is hot, place the stuffed chicken and cook all the sides till it is light brown in color. So as you can see, the nice brown color came on the top of the chicken. Take it out on the chopping board because I need to remove the thread and I will slice it. So remove the thread. So you can see the chicken has nicely cooked. The beauty in this cooking, you can see the three different colors. Surface it is brown, golden brown, inside it is white and in the center it is green. So let us keep it like this. We will finish the gravy and we will do the final presentation. The gravy is ready. You have saw that I have blended the gravy. Now we will strain this. So the gravy is strained. You can see the smoothness in the gravy. So we'll heat the pan. So while the oil is hot, I just temper it with pinch of cumin seed, 1 pinch of coriander powder, mix it nicely, nothing else, very easy, and add this gravy. See the shiness of the gravy. Just cook it for 1 or 2 minutes because everything is cooked. Only we need to blend the taste and flavor. Add some salt. I will add some sugar to balance the taste. Even if you want, you can add some honey instead of sugar. Mix it nicely. Some butter. Cream. Some Garam Masala powder. Look at this color. Shiny, velvety texture. So our gravy is ready. Now is the time for the presentation. Take the gravy. So place the stuffed chicken. Drizzle some cream. Some touch of gravy on the top of the chicken. A sprig of coriander leaves. So, stuffed chicken Lababdar is ready for you. Just prepare the dish, enjoy the dish, give your valuable comment, and any other items which you want me to prepare, please comment in the comment box. I will surely make it for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the link to all your friends and relatives to grow my channel. Thank you very much. My best wishes to all of you. Happy cooking.